Hello everyone, welcome to another HSB Academy tutorial session. My name is Alex, and today I'd like to take you through a new feature that was released with the recent hsbDesign 27 for Revit. We're going to be looking at Dynamo today. So our team has gone ahead and created our own HSB Dynamo nodes. These nodes will be available to users when buying our packages for hsbDesign. Today I'll show you a couple examples of these nodes that were used to create some Dynamo scripts. The first one we'll look at will be something to add your item containers, and then perhaps generate the framing. We have the possibility of creating exports as well through this. So let me go ahead and launch the Dynamo player. Alright, so here we have the Dynamo player. I already have my script loaded into the project. Just to give you a quick look at what this one will look like. As I mentioned, we have multiple nodes that our colleagues have created for us, and we've been using this to generate different scripts in order to help us frame the projects, in order to help us export, and in order to help get data out of this project. All right. So we're not going to go into detail with this today, but just to show you that we have different scripts that are going to be running based off of our HSB nodes that we've created. So for example, one of the first things I want to do is I've got a couple walls here. I want to add some item containers to this. So I'm going to turn this on. We're going to be looking at only doing walls and only walls that are on level 1. Now because I'm using this kind of input here, I'm going to go turn off generate on project, and I'm going to turn on generate on levels. So it's only going to generate based off of my selection here. Next thing I want to do as well is we're not going to rename anything just now. We're not going to export. So that's fine. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to get the item containers placed, and we're also going to generate the framing. Let me go ahead and hit run. And there we go. So we've got our item containers as well as the framing that was generated through this script that I have here. Next thing I'm going to do is, let's say I want to rename my item containers. So let's turn some of these off, and I want to rename the item containers. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go down here, and I already have these set. So I got some prefixes for my walls, floors, roof, and ceiling. We're going to start with the number 1, and it's going to be 2 digits. So instead of what we're seeing here, let's go ahead and change the prefix to, let's say, WA. And let me hit the run. And there you go. Now I've got my new item containers named with the prefix that I just changed here. So these are a couple examples of what you can expect to be able to do with the new Dynamo nodes that our team has created. You'll have the opportunity to explore some more information about the Dynamo nodes in the upcoming weeks, as well as being able to reach out to any of us if you need a hand. So this is something very exciting that the team has added. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys with another video soon.